All right, welcome. So in this video, I want to state the difference between AI, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. When you talk about AI, in simple terms, is making a computer behave and think like a human being. As simple. Do things without human beings interference. Now, these things can be done into two ways. The first one is the traditional programming, where you write a code that tells a computer what to do. For instance, when you want to create an email and you are creating a password, the computer, a program is written in such a way that when you put a password that is not strong enough, it will reject it. Or when you want to log in and you enter a wrong password, the computer will tell you that password incorrect. It's not a human being that is doing that. That's part of AI. But that part of AI is a program. The traditional programs, the codes we write to do all those things for you. Then the other part of AI is called machine learning. In terms of machine learning, there's a clear difference between the traditional programming and machine learning. In machine learning, the machine is fed with data. So the machine studies the data and then takes decisions based on the understanding of that data. And this is done through statistical and mathematical algorithms. They are functions in mathematics. They are functions, probability functions or mathematical functions that are now being programmed to study your data and then make predictions based on the understanding of the data. So in simple terms, we have what is called artificial intelligence, and is divided into the traditional programming and machine learning. They have one thing in common. They both use programming software. In traditional programming, where you have Java, PHP, all of that, part of Python. However, in machine learning currently, the most used software is Python and R. The other ones can actually do it, but Python and R are the most used software in machine learning right now. Then what is deep learning? In machine learning, we have what is called supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Then we have another aspect of machine learning that deals with neural networks. The neuron that is in your head or in your body that take decision is what is being made in deep learning to understand. It is a bit slightly different from supervised machine learning algorithms, where you have features and you have a target value or set of values that you want to predict. I will do another video on types of supervised machine learning, but deep learning is a subset of machine learning that deals with neural networks. So if you want to learn machine learning, if you want to learn machine learning or AI, you just need to understand that AI is divided into traditional programming and machine learning. Why machine learning has supervised and unsupervised algorithms. I'll talk about supervised and unsupervised algorithms. Then you have deep learning, which is a subset. So deep learning is actually a subset of machine learning that deals with neural networks. It takes features with hidden layers, sometimes so many hidden layers, and then the output. It also has what is called activation functions. We will explain all of that when we are doing videos on machine learning and deep learning. Thank you.